Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. Are you guys feeling this color? Baby, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I look good. I feel good. I'm not going to talk too much about this hair and what just went down, but please, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. Like, whew, y'all. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I just really want to tell you guys thank you. I know 1,000 doesn't sound like a lot, but like, you know, your first 1,000 is kind of hard to get depending on what type of content creator you are. So thank you to those who have subscribed, and if you're not subscribed yet, please just go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Like, you're gonna want to come back and watch a little bit more of me, just saying. So let's just get into it. Okay, so this is another Sensationnel wig. Is it sensational or sensational? I think it's Nell, but whatever. This is from the What Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig Collection, 100% premium fibers, okay? This is called Solana. It does say that it's safe for heat, so about 300 to 400 degrees. It is pre-plucked, natural density, and flawless hairline. I really wanted to try a new color, so I ordered this in, what is this called? L'Emballage chocolate. So basically, it's a brown with mixes of little blondes and stuff like that. Really, really pretty. I have had colored hair before. It's been a while, child. So I'm super, super excited about this. We gonna see, baby. We gonna see. Let's go ahead and take it off the pack. I always save these. I don't know about y'all, but I be saving these just because I need something to store my wigs in. Of course, down here we have the adjustable bands, and we have the clip down here. And then up here, thank you Jesus, we have the clips on the side. You guys know I hate when they put clips in the front. Here you can't really do that because it is a frontal unit. And of course we have the mesh, frontal, yada yada yada. Let me bring you guys in a little closer so you can actually see. This is what the mesh looks like. Here is the actual hairline, and you know, the tint isn't too bad, but for my skin tone I do have to finesse it a little bit. I don't want an ashy looking scalp, nothing like that, so we will finesse that, but the color is really, really pretty. Since this is a frontal, I will be using a couple of different things today. If you've never done your own frontal before, don't worry, I am not a pro. I just do what I know how to do and I make it work. So the two main things I'm going to use for my frontal is this Got To Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray and my Got To Be Styling Glue. I'm going to do a couple coats of the Got To Be Freeze Spray, and you want to let it dry down in between. I'm going to do one more layer of the Freeze Blast Spray and then blow dry that down, and then we will move on. This is a synthetic wig, so I am not going to have it on for that long amount of time. So right now, let's just go ahead and move on and cut off the extra, what was this fabric from the balding cap. And to be completely honest with you, I didn't even have to do the balding method just because I'm not using my bold hold or anything like that today. So I didn't really even have to do this. Alright, now that we are bald head, scally back, ain't got no hair. Wait, I do have hair in the back, so let me shut up. Let's move on. So I am going to use this Got To Be glue. But before we do that, I want to kind of tint the scalp just a little bit. You could use your makeup, but I have this, so why not? This is the Even New York Tinted Lace Spray. I use the shade Medium Dark Brown. Turn the lace inside out. You can clearly see the difference in that tint now. So let's go ahead and pop that back on. And so you want to pull the back down, snap it in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use my Got To Be glue and put it all over my hairline. Okay, so now that that glue is dried down a little bit, you want to bring your wig back to the front and start gluing down that hairline. And I am doing this a little bit different than I've done it in the past, just because I'm not using my bold hold tape or glue or any of the heavy duty stuff. Normally I would just do glue side by side. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is cut my lace. It really depends, but most of the time I cut my lace off of my head at first. Like not all the way at the top, but just up to like right here. But today I'm just gonna go in and cut it. And I'm not cutting too close to the hairline just yet. We will get there. I just want to cut like the initial lace off. I like to go in with a face razor and kind of just take off that extra lace. Okay, so that's all I'm going to cut for today, just because I don't know about you guys, but when I do my lace fronts and stuff like that, I always end up cutting more after I like go back and reinstall it a couple times. So I like to, the first time I like to leave myself a little bit of space or room, if that makes sense. But so far it looks pretty decent. I think I want my part on this side maybe. Alright, so now that I'm styling it and I'm playing along with the lace a little bit, first of all, these curls, they get a little tangly, but like I said, it's a Synthetica. What do we expect? I do think I want to add a few little baby hairs. So let's do that. Alright, I'm going to grab my little edge booster. Make it do what it do. These are pretty long for baby hairs, but I don't want to cut them too much on the first go around, you know? Okay, y'all ready for the recap? Y'all ready for my final thoughts in the recap? Stay tuned in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All in all, I will give this wig a 10 out of 10. And let me explain why. Color was on point. The feeling of the straps, like I feel like it's secure in the back. The straps on the side aren't even there. Of course, I kind of glued it down a little bit, what have you. It feels really secure. The hair, it feels, it's bouncy. It is a little bit of tangly just because of like, I guess the style it is, the curls, if you will. It's not itching me yet. Normally with synthetic hair, I get itchy after a little while. It's not really itching me yet. Did I mention the color? The color, okay. Yeah, like, I really think Sensationnel did a bomb job with this hair. I messed with it. Now, this wig, I believe on samsbeauty.com was about $50. I did have a coupon code that I used, so I didn't pay $50. But that is okay. Would I purchase this hair again for $50? Honestly, yeah. Like, I mean, I know it's going to get pretty good use and wear out of it. I know that I can do a lot of different styles and things with it, especially the way I was able to just lay them little edges or whatever have you. I did not glue it all the way down just because I'm going to be taking it off after this video. So that was that. It was very, very easy to customize to my head. If you have a big head or a small head, this wig should be good for you, to be completely honest. The lace itself isn't too bad. It's a lace, like, you're gonna see the lace. This is not Jonathan, this is not Tay, this is not Alonzo, this is Synthetica. So you're going to see the lace. Is it super, you know, annoying or super like make you self-conscious? No, like, honestly, I never really care when people see my lace, as long as it looks like good, you know what I mean? Like, 10 out of 10, Sensationnel, you did it again. At this point, y'all might as well sign me, because anyway, so what are your thoughts about the color on me? I really love it on my rich melanated skin. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this here wig, baby, and the color. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.